Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Konkani. Today we are going to learn how to speak in Konkani with a vegetable vendor. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my next video. So in today's video, we will see a simple conversation between a vegetable vendor and you. So let's start learning. Vegetable vendor. Yes, tell me which vegetable you want. In Konkani, he will ask as सांग कसली भाजी जाय तुका? सांग कसली भाजी जाय तुका? सांग means tell. कसली भाजी means which vegetable. जाय तुका you want. What is the price of 1 kg potatoes? In Konkani, you will ask as बटाट कशे किलो? बटाट कशे किलो? बटाट means potato. कशे किलो means how much for 1 kg. Vegetable vendor. Potatoes 30 rupees kg. बटाट 30 रुपया किलो. बटाट 30 रुपया किलो. बटाट means potatoes. 30 रुपया means 30 rupees. Give me 1 kg. माका 1 किलो दी. माका 1 किलो दी. माका means for me. 1 means 1. Di means give. Leafy vegetables you don't want today? In Konkani, vegetable vendor will ask as आयज पाले भाजी काय नाका? आयज पाले भाजी काय नाका? आयज means today. पाले भाजी means leafy vegetable. काय नाका means don't want. No, I don't want leafy vegetables today, but give me 1 bottle gourd. नाका पालेभाजी नाका आयज, पण म्हाका एक कोकण दुदी दी. नाका पालेभाजी नाका आयज, पण म्हाका एक कोकण दुदी दी. नाका means don't want. पालेभाजी means leafy vegetable. Naka eyes means don't want today. Pun but maka ek for me 1. Kokan dudi means bottle gourd. Di means give. Okay, take this. Anything else you want? बरें, हे घे. आनी कितें जाय? बरें, हे घे. आनी कितें जाय? बरें means okay. हे means this. घे means take. आनी कितें means anything else. जाय means want. Yes, give me 10 rupees coriander. In Konkani you will say, हय 10 रुपयांची कोथमीर दी. हय ₹10 कोथमीर दी. Hoy means yes. Dha means 10. Rupyanchi means rupees. Kothmir means coriander. Di means give. Take coriander. Ghe kothmir. Ghe kothmir. What is the total? In Konkani you will ask as कितले जाले? कितले जाले? 70 rupees. 70 रुपया जाले. 70 रुपया जाले. 70 means 70. Take. Ghe. Thank you. In Konkani he will say Dev bare karu. So this is all for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.